Hi everyone, I am Shreya and welcome to today's video. Today I will be trying to do the claw clip hairstyles which are viral and are on Pinterest and on Instagram. Let's see if these hairstyles are that easy to pull off. I'm super excited to try it out and I hope you guys are too. So without any further ado, let's just begin. And before that, make sure you subscribe, like this video and comment down which hairstyle was your favorite. And yeah, let's start. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you next time. Bye.